Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get a discount on trading fees on Hyperliquid. If you don't have an account, use the link in the description. First, let's go to app.hyperliquid.xyz website. We are on the Hyperliquid trading platform. Here we need to click on the Referrals button. Here choose Enter Code. Now we need to enter referral code to get discount on trading fees. Keep in mind that this will only be available if you have less than $10,000 of trading volume. Let's type Crypto Uni. This is my referral code, and it is fully working. Accept by clicking Enter. You are now using this code, so you will get a discount on trading fees. And that's all. Now you are ready to trade on the platform. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.